Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today's video is very important for all students because if you're not using these free tools, you're literally missing huge benefits. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful student tools that can give you more than $200,000 worth of premium software completely free. Let's start with the first one, GitHub Student Developer Pack. This is like the holy grail for students. With this one pack, you get GitHub Pro to host your projects, Canva Pro for 1 year, $100 Microsoft Azure credits, a free domain from Namecheap, and access to tools like JetBrains, DataCamp, and Unity. Basically, everything you need as a developer is available in one place for free. Next is Microsoft 365 Education. Most people pay a lot of money for this, but students can get it for free. You get full access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams, and you can install them on multiple devices. Plus, you get 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage to save all your projects and files safely. Now coming to Canva for Education. If you create thumbnails, resumes, or social media posts, this is perfect for you. You get access to millions of premium elements, no watermarks, and tools like background remover. It's basically Canva Pro, but free for students. Next is Figma Education Plan. If you are interested in UI/UX design or app design, this tool is a must. You can create unlimited design files, collaborate with others in real time, and even build clickable prototypes. This is the same tool used by professionals in companies. Finally, Notion for Education. This works like your second brain. You can organize your notes, track your tasks, and even upload unlimited files. It also has AI features to help you summarize notes and manage your study work easily. So these are the top 5 free tools every student should use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Telegram channel for more useful content. See you in the next